Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You must have admin privileges and a fresh backup of the SATS database. Do that now. Once done, identify the exact record you want to change, user ID or entity ID, timestamp, and current Caste field values. Make sure to connect through the SATS Management Console or an authenticated SSH/API session. You're starting the change immediately, so confirm you can revert to the export. This prevents data loss and gives you a safe rollback point. Now modify the Caste field. Open the record in edit mode or perform an update query with a precise where clause that matches the user ID and version. You should validate allowed Caste values and apply any mapping rules. This prevents invalid states. Once validated, run the change on a staging copy first. Check referential constraints, triggers, and any linked tables that reference Caste. If automated jobs depend on Caste, pause them temporarily to avoid inconsistent processing during the update. Finish by applying the approved change to production during a maintenance window and write an audit log entry that records who changed what and why. Once applied, run integrity checks, replay any dependent events, and perform smoke tests on affected services to confirm expected behavior. If something goes wrong, revert by restoring the backup or using transaction logs. Make sure you document the root cause and corrective steps. Keep stakeholders informed and schedule a post-change review to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.